We work with independent financial advisors across the country. In other words, if you're looking for financial advice, you can go to the company store, or you can go to somebody who has absolutely no interest except your own at heart. And those are the folks we work with. Independence is key.
And you're the chief investment. What does that mean? So how do you get the word out for what you think these independent guys should be doing? What do you do? Send out a newsletter or a conference call? What do you do?
We do everything they want because they're independent, because they can choose who to work with. We need to work with them in whatever way works best for them. Some folks want to actually read stuff. Others want to talk to people. We can do that.
So what are you telling them right now? Stay long?
I'm telling them right now I won't say there's nothing to worry about. There's lots to worry about, but there's nothing to act on. And the reason for that is we know what causes...
In terms of selling?
Serious bear markets, exactly. Do not sell. Right now, a recession is a good ways away, and that's the engine for bear markets. So a lot of worry, not a lot of need to act.
You think that there's already downside risk is reflected in the markets? Where would we be if that wasn't reflected in the markets? We'd be even higher?
Absolutely right. If you think about it, in the past couple of weeks, we've had North Korea launching ballistic missiles over Japan. We've had a hydrogen bomb going off. We've had the two worst storms in U.S. history, and we're still at all-time highs.
I don't think it was a hydrogen bomb. I think it was a lot more than the last one, but I still don't think they've made it to fusion.
You might be right. Enhanced fission, hydrogen.
They're close.
It's a big deal.
Unfortunately, it's 10 times the size of Hiroshima, I think. So, yeah, it's
massive earthquake.
We're talking about semantics at this point. How about with your 1,600 guys you're advising, your favorite investment is Bitcoin right now for them?
I've been writing about Bitcoin, and I created an award just for fun, the Bubble of the Year,
award.
the Bubby.
This was before Jamie Dimon, too, right?
Yes, this was, as a matter of fact. Sometimes you get it right. And we have Mr. Dimon, we have China coming out and saying they're potentially going to outlaw Bitcoin. You know, they're just all of these things. Bitcoin really does depend on everything going right. That's not to say the blockchain won't be important. It will. But everything that goes with the Bitcoin, the scarcity. Okay, there is scarcity for Bitcoins, but there's 700 other cryptocurrencies out there. There's no scarcity of cryptocurrencies in general. It requires regulatory blessing.
Do you have investors that are in Bitcoin right now? Like a substantial number of your clients are in Bitcoin?
We do not. There's only a handful, and in all of those cases, they're where clients individually wanted to get in and made that decision. You know, we're not recommending it. We don't take a position either way. We just want people to understand the risks.
But you do facilitate the trade if people want to do it.
No, actually, we don't. We don't have any products other than I think it's an ETF that invests. But again, that's currently trading at some ridiculous premium to underlying asset value. So we point that out too.
Right.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.